Sis.
If I speak in tongues, but do not have love.
Yeah.
If I speak in tongues, but do not have love, I am resounding gong, a clashing cymbal. If I have prophecy and comprehend all mysteries and knowledge, if I am full faith to move mountains, but do not have love, I am nothing. If I give away everything, if I give away everything, if I hand my body over, if I hand my body over, but do not have love, I gain nothing. Love is patient. Love is kind. It is not jealous. Love is not focused. It is not inflated. It is not rude. It does not take its own interest. It is not quick-tempered. It does not gloat over injuries. It does not rejoice over wrongdoing. It rejoices with the truth.
All the leaves all hope, and all the leaves all hope, and it bears all the leaves all hope, and
Love never fades. Love never fades. Love never fades. Love never fades. No passion can prophecy partial, but when the perfect comes, the partial, the partial, the partial. When I was a child, I used to talk as a child, to think as a child, reason as a child.
I became a man. I put aside party schemes.
dum 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 dum.
As present, we see in distinctly, as in a mirror, 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 mirror. But then, face to face, at present, having know partially, and I shall know fully, as I am fully known. So faithful, lovely, so faithful, and lovely. But the greatest of this is love.
Dum 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 dum
Dum dum dum dum dum dum.
dum 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 dum.
Love.
1 Corinthians chapter 13 verses 1 to 13.